Hello everyone, so today I'd like to show you how you can replace the existing values with new values. All right, let's get started. So I've got this United Nations resolution data. I downloaded it from United Nations digital library where you can download the United Nations voting data for any resolutions. Anyways, I downloaded it and then here we are. We have two columns. One is vote and another one is country. And then this vote is like YA, and what do this mean, right? I already know like Y is actually yes for the vote, and then N is no. And then the other one, for example, A is abstentions. And there's another one, V, which is actually for non-voting. So I want to actually put this label instead of this like some kind of code, right? So what we can do is from column header menu, and then there's replace values. And then we can say, and then you can get this with new values. And here is pretty simple. All you need to do is just assign the new values for the original values. For example, this A is actually abstentions, and N is no, and V is non-voting, and Y is yes. Now, all you need to do is just that. And then make sure you want to create a new column for this like replace values, or you want to override the existing values with these new values. This time, like I want to actually override. So I'm going to keep this default option and let's click on run button. Now we have yes, abstentions, and so on, that new values that we just replaced with. And you can check like how many of those values are by clicking on this eye icon, like when you mouse over the column header, and then it will give you overall picture of all the values are in this column. Okay, that's it for replacing the existing values with new values. As you see, you can replace those values quickly by using that UI. And either you can override the existing columns or create new columns. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.